Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am in Sanibel, Florida, and I brought Sock It To Me in my suitcase. I figured it'd be fun to bring a little of my work to play, so I wanted to dive in and unbox this before I head to the beach. Hence my gorgeous tropical background. Yeah, this definitely is not Houston, Texas. It's super peaceful here, y'all. Okay, so this is a normal box. Last time I unboxed all sorts of cool stuff. This is just a stereotypical normal box so you can get a feel for things. This is my November box. And inside I got, are these like suckers or animal pops? Can y'all see the different animal suckers? These are stinking cute. And unicorn cats? Oh my gosh. So catacorns and animal pops. Aren't these super cute? This is the crew cut. They're a thicker sock. I don't consider the quality on these socks to be superior or amazing. They're just a very good, fun, cute sock. This is a sock you'll have for a while. You'll wear several times, and when you're done, you just get a new pair. They have the cutest patterns. I have been more impressed with their patterns than any other subscription box to date. So, what else is in here? Talks about that this is the monthly box and what the socks do, and I got a gift of a pen. Is that Colonel Sanders or who is that? Can you see the little guy? All right, Einstein. That's super great, y'all. I have to post a picture so y'all can see that. I don't know, Einstein's looking kind of nutso in here. Okay, so I don't remember how much this box is, but I do have it linked up on the blog, and I will tie that in so y'all can look it up. And here you go, the Sock It To Me monthly box. All right, guys, I hope that you have a fabulous time. I obviously will be, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye, y'all.
Mommy, have these now. Is that, have these good?